Hi, I'm Dr. Rajeshri Kelkar. I'm a breast surgeon at Mumbai Breast Specialist. Breast reconstruction is always considered when there is partial or total mastectomy. The decision is always taken when the two of my colleagues are with me. I am introducing Dr. Aditi, a breast surgeon, and Dr. Mahinur Desai, who is a plastic surgeon. So the advantage of Mumbai Breast Specialist is that when any patient comes to us, it is discussed between all the three of us and we take the decision about the breast reconstruction jointly.
So as Dr. Rajshri mentioned, decision making about the method of reconstruction will be discussed with the three of us as well as with the patient when you come in for your consultation. And we will weigh that against the need of the breast to be reconstructed. Though the new breast can be sculpted to match your opposite side breast, there may be certain instances in which you will need to modify the opposite breast to achieve an exact match or symmetry with the reconstructed breast.
Breast reconstruction can be done by two main methods. One is by using one's own body tissues or flaps, which is commonly known as autologous breast reconstruction. Another method which we use commonly is silicone implants. The new reconstructed breast does not have a nipple areola complex which can be reconstructed at a later date. So you can opt for the new nipple reconstruction or you may not opt for it.
Oncoplastic breast surgery involves rearranging of the remaining part of the breast tissue to cover the gap which is going to be created by removing the tumor. Now it depends on the size of the tumor, shape of the tumor and the site of the tumor as compared to the whole of the breast. And also the size of the whole of the breast matters because the tumor gap is to be filled by the local and remaining part of the breast tissue. So what happens is, because we are going to remove a part of the breast tissue from the affected breast, the tumor is going to go out. That is why this side which is affected is going to become smaller in size. So the opposite breast will look like it is a slightly larger sized breast. So we can have a normal contralateral symmetrization, that is called as surgery, to reduce the opposite breast to match both the sides of the breast so that both the sides look as normal as possible.
Other local flaps that are commonly used are the pedicle flaps like the latissimus dorsi flap, wherein the skin, fatty tissue, muscle are taken from the back which is swung to the front to replace the breast which has been removed. Another commonly used pedicle flap is the tram flap, wherein again skin, muscle and fatty tissue is taken from the abdomen which is further moved to replace to the breast which has been removed.
The most difficult type of breast reconstruction involves using free flaps. So these require specialized microsurgical training and instrumentation and can only be performed by trained plastic surgeons. Now the most commonly used type of free flap for breast reconstruction is the DIEP flap, which consists of skin and fatty tissues which are taken from the lower abdomen and their blood supply is completely disconnected. This flap is then put in its new location in the breast area and is rejoined to the local blood vessels. This is the most critical part of the surgery. And we have other areas which are used for harvesting free flaps, which is the upper buttock and the thighs.
When you choose any type of oncoplasty or breast reconstruction, one thing you have to keep it in mind that the newly reconstructed breast will not have the normal sensation as you have on the other side of the breast. And the individual risks and complications of different kinds of reconstructions will be discussed with you when you actually come for our consultations, because different types of surgeries involve different risks and different complications.
When you come in for your consultation with us, you can also view the before and the after photos of the results that are achieved by our team of surgeons at Mumbai Breast Specialists. Lastly, remember that breast reconstruction can be done immediately along with the breast tumor removal, that is immediate breast reconstruction, or it can be done in a staged manner a few months after surgery, that is delayed breast reconstruction.
You can check us on our website mumbaibreastspecialist.com, and you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram, especially in the month of October, which is our Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Thank you.